Anyong Irwin! So today, meron tayong very special guest. It's Espang. So, I got this from the Beauty Edit and Miss Sansan. I still can't pronounce that right. I'm sorry. I'll pronounce it in Korean. Mijiang Sen. Mijiang Sen. Yes. Mijiang Sen. So, I got this from the Beauty Edit and the Mijiang Sen Hello Bubble pop-up event. Yan, for the launch in the Philippines. So, kaya ako sinabi yung Korean kasi there was a challenge where pinasabi nila yung name, yung brand name, which is Miss Sansen. I think that's how you pronounce it in France. I'm sorry if it's wrong. And then they asked us, hey, does anyone know how to pronounce it in Korean? I can read Hangul. And I said, Mijiang Sen. Oh, winner! Nag-win. Andito yung napanalunan ko nun, which is like a full-size Perfect Serum shampoo. Girl, aren't you proud? Anyway, so this is like my biggest PR. I don't know if you can hear me, but okay, let's move this here to make sure that you hear me. But yeah, this is like when I received this, it was like my best day ever because it's the biggest PR package I've ever received. I don't know what I did to deserve this. I'm so happy and I'm so excited to unbox it and try the color. So, while we're unboxing, I'll tell you a story about Hello Bubble. So before, you might have known that they used to, okay, I'll show you one product that I bought, the Sahara Rose Desert. Sahara Desert. Kasi Sahara Rose Pink. So this one, I've been eyeing this for so long. As in, nasa cart ko na siya mula nung 10-10 pa lang yata. And then never ko siya check out kasi like, lagi kong pinuput off yung DIY hair coloring. Like, I tried doing it in the salon for the past couple of months. And then, syempre matagal yung interval, kaya saka na yung color na hair natin. So yun, I've just been putting it off. And another thing that I put in my cart for so long is the curling essence. Kasi tayo ko na ito gustong i-try. But like, meron pa kasi akong stocks ng kung ano-anong curling MS. So like, syempre, ang motto natin in life is ubusin muna bago tayo bumili ng bago. Which is not true. Never nangyayari. But like, I usually do it yung kaya ko talagang i-EQ ng mga bagay. And then, ako naman sa package. I'm so happy. This one, I bought it. I bought it because when you bought it on that day, you will have this one for free. And then, I was so surprised because the PR package also had it. So, girl, pag hindi pa umayos yung buhok ko nito sa damage care na to, ewan ko na lang. As in, I super plan to like use it religiously from now on. This is a treatment, so use it. I'm not sure if you can use it daily. I plan to use it like every other day. Because ito pa guys, background ha. For the past year, I've only been using 2 things because of the Beauty Edit. Sila talaga yung budol. Hindi budol eh, kasi okay siya eh. So, I've been using another brand from a Japanese brand. And then, I recently switched to the Korean brand. And oh my God, life-changing. As in, I'll never leave it again. Because I tried a Korean shampoo and conditioner before. Like, carry lang siya. Hindi naman life-changing. This one, oh my God, my hair is always so soft and nice. So yes, I've been using the Perfect Serum shampoo and conditioner. And then, I've been using the Perfect Serum ever since our trip last spring, I think. So, ang dami kong stock nun and I've been using it. Especially when I curl or dry my hair with the blow dryer. Kasi, I met the brand manager of Miss Sansen in the K-Beauty Festival. Diba? Parang tahi-tahi lahat. I met Sigrid there, the brand manager, in the K-Beauty Festival of KCC in April. And then I met her there. She's so nice. She's so like, di mo isipin na brand manager siya because she's so, so nice. And then she told us about how to you really use the Perfect Serum, when to use it, ano ba yung best application, ganyan, and then the best type for your hair. And so we got 3 samples and oh my god, ang bango niya. First time ko yung na-try din. Ang bango niya, ang ganda sa hair, ang lambot. And then, when we went to Korea, we went to Seongsu and then went to the Amore Pacific headquarters. And then, Espa yung team ng pop-up nila nun. And then, they were endorsing the different kinds of the Perfect Serum. And ang dami kong freebies na nakuha. So, as in with full sizes and all. I think, andyan yun sa karamihan ng gamit ko. Anyway, so since then, I've never looked back. I've always used it and ganda niya sa hair, in fairness. So, that's why I'm super duper excited to have all this. And yeah, ilalabas ko lang yung mga, kasi competitive tayo eh. So, dami kong napanalunan like, because of answering questions, yan, meron ako nito. So, ito yung pink is, I forgot ano yung tawag dito. But yeah, the pink light, actually like still the original. I haven't tried the pink, so let's see if ito yung mga free sample yan. Dito ako nagsimula, and then the rest is history. And then, yan, free sample. Free sample. And then, ooh, what's this? Oh my god. Oh my god, postcard. Oh my god, it's Giselle, the prettiest one. Okay. At tingin natin si Giselle dito. Yan, and then, oops. Ito, first time ko makita. So, for steaming your hair, steam effect for extra shine and ganyan. Okay, excited to try that also. Doon tayo sa small items muna. At meron pang ibang freebies na sample size. Oh my god, what is this? Okay, this is more details about Hello Bubble. And ang pinaka nag-stand out sa akin is first, yung easy application. So, it's like the other shampoo dyes that you have, but then ang pinaka-difference niya is their new formula. So, they call it the Zombie Bubble. So, instead of like the usual type na kailangan talagang sa shower mo siya gawin, this one, you can actually do it like sa normal sala or bedroom or whatever because the Zombie Bubble doesn't drip on your clothes. So, that's what I'm very excited to test kung kamusta si Zombie Bubble. And the colors, of course, are very vibrant and they have different colors for all your preferences. Meron pa silang primer if you just want to lighten your hair and to prep your hair for vibrant color. Ganyan. Okay, so, kasi muna natin ito lahat because main event tayo. Okay, baliktad pa ako. Okay, so this one, I'm so excited to like unbox this. Nagpunta ako ng I think it was Uptown Mall after nung event na yun. And then, there was, I think, an Espa fan eyeing my paper bag and like, girl, I'm so lucky. I know. Yeah. This is really next level PR unboxing. Oh my God, daming kulay! Okay, si Giselle ulit. Okay, oh my god, meron ding hair rose pink. Oh my god. May Perfect Serum din. Okay, so the colors here are, I'm so excited. Red, Berry Violet, hair rose pink, ash beige, choco brown. Oh my god, this is like, alam nyo, ito yung top 2 na gusto kong matry. And then this is the first, this is also like one of my seconds. And then choco brown, I haven't tried it. It's very neutral and classy, so I also want to try it eventually. But first natin talagang ito-try is si Sahara Rose Pink because, well, nasa Glinda ano ba tayo ngayon. So, ito muna. But oh my god, ang saya. Oh my god, ang galing. Oh my god, ang saya. Okay, so meron pala siyang assignment per character. So, Giselle is Berry Violet, Ningning is Sahara Rose Pink. Ningning, I love you, Ningning. Winter, Ash beige for winter, and then curly nga for the chocolate brown. So, very excited to try this. I will take videos when I do. And thank you, The Beauty Edit, and hello, Bubble. And thank you, Miss Insan. Thank you. Si pa ba today? Amor Pacific. Thank you po. Thank you. Annyeong, 여러분.